Let's go.
It seems that this guy, on his small boat, has taken this enormous tanker in tow and is pulling it to the dock. In large waves, the amplitude of the liner's rocking can reach up to 10 meters, and that's when real chaos begins. This ferry deviated from its route, ran aground, and further damaged a moored vessel. This yacht is clearly out of luck. I wonder if it can be anything other than a pile of metal with such clumsy logistics. A cruise liner with numerous passengers on board collided with rocks near the shores of America in the Gulf of Mexico, and although a hole appeared in the bow of the hull, the ship managed to make its way to the nearest port on its own. We hope that the crew on this ship has a good digestive system and is not at risk of seasickness. Near the United States, in the port of the Mexican cruise port of Cozumel, two cruise liners collided. When the first was maneuvering to dock, it accidentally hit the second one with its Karma. Although there is damage to the seaworthiness of the liners, the incident did not affect them at sea. This guy has mastered all the cool techniques and tricks for operating a motorboat, but unfortunately, it didn't help him stay afloat longer, and the boat sank. This is how brave American sailors battle the water elements in a storm in the Pacific Ocean. The uniqueness of this unusual vessel called Flip lies in its ability to assume a vertical position in just 28 minutes. With its help, important scientific research to study water circulation, the formation of storms, and seismic wave movements near the American coast has become possible. During a severe storm off the coast of Alaska, huge waves battered the ship's hull, trying to turn it sideways to the waves. One can only hope that it managed to continue its course safely.
Ja, die staat erop.
This is how storm waves break against the ship's bow. To be prepared for any extreme situation on the water, American sailors have to spend a considerable amount of time honing their driving skills on these shots, practicing evacuation from the ship in case of it sinking.
After enjoying a long swimming break.
Handling a boat may seem easy and straightforward, so it's crucial to practice water driving skills as much as possible.
Yay! Come on! Yay!
Due to a powerful storm in the Gulf of Alaska, the ship lost its course and issued a distress signal. The crew members were lifted by a helicopter directly from the deck, and the ship continued to drift. Cases where ferries collide with piers are not uncommon. From time to time, this happens worldwide. Sometimes it leads to passenger injuries, destruction, and fire. Agree that this is a mesmerizing sight, bringing to mind Winston Churchill's words, "Why does the ship conquer the waves when there are many, and it alone? Because the ship has a purpose, and the waves do not." To build a ship, a large special platform with cranes, access roads, warehouses, electricity supply, and more is needed. Most importantly, there must be a mechanism for launching the constructed hull into the water. Not every day can you see how a ship hits the water. When the tilt of the ship increases so much, all that remains is to rely on the professional skills of the crew and pray.
Been what it was like during the flood, the Great Flood, when they were floating around. Noah's Ark. Anything out there died.
This tanker, although technically capable of coping with such an element, ended up in extremely challenging weather conditions near the shores of Portland. Thank you for watching until the end. We always strive to make our new videos better and offer you something new and interesting. So we are confident that you will enjoy the next video even more. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.